Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook profile notes options not showing. So if you cannot find the notes options on your Facebook profile, you don't need to worry. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can fix it step by step, fast and easy. Let's get started. So Facebook Notes is a feature that let you post long form content like blogs or announcement, but many users in 2025 are reporting that the notes sections is missing from their profile. So this usually happens due to UI changes, region limits, or outdated app versions. So the first step or the first method that you can do to fix it is switch to classic Facebook on PC. So if you are on desktop, you can try switching back to classic Facebook UI. Go to the top right menu, click on the down arrow and see if switch to classic Facebook is available, because not sometimes show up only in that view. Then the second method, you can use a Facebook in a browser. So if you are using the Facebook mobile app, the notes options might not appear like I do here. So you can open the Facebook in your phone browser. You can open Chrome, let's say, and after that you can switch to desktop mode and check your profile. It often appears there. But if it's still missing, you can try using a Facebook Lite or downloading an older versions of the Facebook app from APK sites. So Notes have been more consistent in these versions. And some features like notes are region based or account specific. So if you've never used notes before, your account may not have access yet. A workaround is asking a friend who has notes to tag you in one. That can unlock the feature sometimes. So in conclusion, there's a few methods that you can do to fix the notes not showing on Facebook. If you are on PC, you can try to switch to the classic Facebook versions. And second one, if you are on mobile, you can try use Facebook in browser. So open your phone browser and switch to desktop mode in Facebook, and you can check your profile after that. And lastly, you can also try the Facebook Lite app. Just download it from App Store or Google Play. And you can also get a Facebook app in older versions from APK sites. And that's how you can bring back the Facebook Note options in 2025. If this tutorial helped, like the video, comment below if you got it working, and subscribe. Also click on thanks for more quick fixes and Facebook tips. Bye.